Now in this problem we're looking at assigning swimmers to a particular part of a medley relay. You can see the times are pretty close together, and secondly 4x4s tend to need at least a column reduction stage. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to work this through to the row reduction. So look at the smallest member of each row. It's a 49, 50, a 50 and a 52, and do the subtraction. Now I've performed the test. And the test involves seeing how many lines will cover the zeros. Now in this instance I can do it a couple of ways. 2 covers the zeros. So clearly that's not going to work. What I've now got to do is to perform a column reduction. Now the ones with the zeros in them can't be reduced any further, so I just rewrite them. The first column and the third column, however, need a subtraction process. And in this instance, 6, 0, 4 and 5. Performing the test, I'll find that only 3 lines are necessary to cancel out my zeros. Now that means I'm in for the Hungarian algorithm. I'm going to block in the 2 crosshaired numbers, the 0 and the 2, and then highlight the number that's smallest outside of that area. Now what will happen is that 2 will be added to the 2 crosshaired numbers and subtracted from the other ones. So if we perform this step, this is the Hungarian or Hungarian algorithm. This is what we'll have. Notice the ones that are already crossed out remain unaffected. Now we can assign as 4 lines are needed in order to cross out all my zeros, and I'll need a vertical one. So in this particular instance, a 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here will be our assignations. Notice that Jane with the butterfly, 51, Sarah with the breaststroke, Lauren with the backstroke, and there was a bit of competition for the freestyle. It was the only one that Kate could actually do. So I'll just list them down the bottom as a conclusion. And that's 51 seconds. Sarah to the breaststroke, 59. Lauren to the backstroke, 52. And Kate to the freestyle, 52. And when we add those all up, we'll end up with 214 seconds as the total. Now, a little bit messy, but a process that you'll be led through or hinted towards with appropriate scaffolding in serious assessments.